So today we are diving into a topic that is fundamental, rectangles. By the end of this video, you will not only know the difference between each other, but also when and why to use. So stick around because things are about to get rectangular awesome. First one is 2-point rectangle. Start by clicking where you want one corner of the rectangle, then click diagonally across to set the other corner. Basic stuff, you will use it pretty often. Second one is 3-point rectangle. Click to set the starting point, then click again to determine the length, and finally click to set width. As for me, best feature of this rectangle is that you can draw it with any angle. Sometimes this is game changer. Center point rectangle. If you know the center of your rectangle, just click there and draw your rectangle around it. It's that easy. I never use it, but I hope his time will come. Like this video cause you are grateful dude. See you in next tutorial.